Hi there, tomorrow we will have a great event at Pool Tap Archaeology because I will be going to Saxion Applied University, where 4 students have volunteered to help me count the pool taps which were sent to me by Alex. And this is a part of that entire batch, and you can see it's really a lot. It does pose me with a certain problem because, well, I can assure you that if you have never identified pool taps on their specific species in your life, if you've never done it in your life before, it's going to be a pain because the differences between some types are immensely minute, and actually sometimes I even use these little magnifying glasses to really look at pool taps closely to see which type it is. Is it type 4, S4, 5, or is it S4, 6? So I came up with a solution, a way of instructing these students as quickly as possible, and I'm going to make a pool tap identification bar. What I did here is I took some of the pool taps from Alex's batch, and I'm going to attach them here to this piece of wood in a way that you can quickly look up the number and the type and then see which pool tap connects to that name. This will be a reference guide for students. There will be enough types here to get you started, and I will put this on the table with the students so they can quickly look it up. Now, don't attack me on the details here. Of course I could make a nice SketchUp design and go to a plasma laser cutter and make it in steel or aluminium, but this is a quick solution because the day is already tomorrow that I need this for the students, so I'm just going to make a quick solution. Now, my first idea was to tie a little rope to each pool tap like this, and then tie them or tack them to the board, to the bar, but that would be time consuming because I have to tie separate ropes to all of the pool taps. So what I'm going to do now instead is just make a long rope which goes all the way across the bar, and then tack the pool taps on it from start to end. Well, this was a lot harder than I expected it to be, especially because my 1977 tacker failed and I had to buy a new one, which is not great either, by the way. Here's all the pool taps in a row with the numbers above it, so you can now easily look at the pool tap, and this little loop in here ensures you can also look at the back side, which is really important for the notches. Well, we just have to field test it tomorrow. And you can easily make this yourself too. So if you want to be a pool tap archaeologist and have a reference collection, you can just make something like this, so that it makes it easy for you to identify pool taps when you're looking at them. So that's it for now, and well, see you next time.